Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to organize Evernote notebooks in stacks. This feature helps you group related notebooks together, making your workspace cleaner and more efficient. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several options listed there, and you'll want to click on Notebooks. This section displays all the notebooks you've created in Evernote, giving you a complete overview of your organizational structure. Now, navigate to the notebook you want to organize with stacks. Once you've located it, look for the three dotted lines icon positioned right beside the notebook name. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your notebook. This menu gives you access to different organizational features that Evernote offers. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Add to Stack. When you hover over this option, a submenu will appear showing you any existing stacks you've created, along with the option to create a new one. For now, select New Stack from this submenu. This action will allow you to create a fresh stack specifically for organizing your notebooks. New field will appear asking you to name your stack. Enter your stack name in the designated field. Choose a name that clearly represents the type of notebooks you'll be grouping together, making it easier to find related content later. Once you've entered your stack name, click the Create button to finalize the creation of your new stack. Your notebook will now be organized within this stack, making your Evernote workspace more structured. If you have additional notebooks you'd like to add to stacks, simply repeat the process. Navigate to the next notebook you want to organize, then click the three dotted lines right beside it. Hover your mouse over Add to Stack, and this time you can either select an existing stack or choose New Stack if you want to create another category. Enter your stack name in the designated field and click Create to complete the organization. And that's it. You've successfully organized your Evernote notebooks into stacks, creating a more streamlined and efficient workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.